time you read books that are connected to our business, that are connected to financial services and investments, you're going to be forwarding your career like no other. And true enough, he took my advice. And you know where Jeff is today. I am so sure that has helped a lot in him forwarding himself in the field or the arena that we were in. So it's very important that you got to realize that. You get to ask yourself, ano ba ang interests mo? Pangalawa, entertainment. Ano nakaka-entertain sa'yo? Ito ba typical na entertainment lang talaga? Pagkatapos mong panoorin, wala na? Or is it the entertainment that you learn something from? Kasi alam niyo po, kahit entertainment yan, may napipili dapat tayong bagay na may natututunan tayo. Hindi ba? Kaya po dito wala pong halong biro. I was in PAMI. I led a fantastic group of people. They call us the ragtag team of Telam at that time. Kasi po hindi kami masyadong alta sosyedad, hindi masyadong mataas ang mga ere ng mga tao doon. Very, very down to earth. Pero alam niyo, napansin nila, every time magkakaroon kami ng planning session, anytime magkakaroon kami ng provincial trip, kung sino man po ang nakakasama ko sa room. Kasi wala pa kaming pera dati. Medyo twin sharing pa ako, minsan triple sharing pa ako mga kwarto. Alam niyo, napapansin nila, early morning, when I open the TV set, saan ang bubuksan? Anong channel? Bloomberg. Kaya po yung mga bata, minsan, bago sa kumpanya, nakakasama ko sa kwarto, nagtatanong, Boss Rex, ano yan? Hindi ba maganda, umagang kay ganda na lang? Bakit? Puro numero yan, puro kung ano-anong report. But you see, I'm telling them, I'm interested to know what happened the night before. Habang natutulog